Hi, I'm Madison, an Audiology Assistant at Now Hear This Audiology in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today I'm sharing the biggest secret in hearing aid repair, EAA, or Electroacoustic Analysis. EAA is an objective test that identifies hearing aid problems by measuring hearing aid performance against manufacturer specifications. Instead of relying on guesswork, cleaning, and repeated adjustments, we can pinpoint issues straight away. If a patient reports static, some clinics may try multiple fixes over several visits before sending the hearing aid in for repair. This costs the patient unnecessary time and money. With EAA, we can often detect internal noise from the beginning and recommend the right repair from the start. Anytime we send in a hearing aid for repair or get a new hearing aid into the clinic, we run EAA to make sure that everything is working optimally before giving the hearing aid to the patient. EAA saves patients time, money, and frustration. It requires specialized equipment and training, but we believe it's essential for best care, so we offer it to any patient in need of troubleshooting. Here's an example of outputs found after performing EAA on a hearing aid today. When we're looking at our results, we are able to see the maximum amount of amplification the hearing aid is able to produce, as well as the output for soft to moderate speech. Below, we're able to see the distortion level at certain frequencies, as well as that internal noise level that we had discussed before. For this specific manufacturer, the equivalent input noise value is 19 decibels, so this is above that specification. In this case, the hearing aid may produce more static, and therefore would need to be sent back to the manufacturer to be checked. If you've been struggling with ongoing hearing aid issues, or repeated adjustments without clear answers, EAA may be the solution. Thank you for watching.